should we do now? Oh no.
Gross!
Oh! Get it for me.
Oh.
I've got an idea. Hi, I need support. Okay, I'll check it out. Arrived. Very good.
Wow.
What is wrong with him? Okay, done. Good job! Wow, that's great! Move! Move! Okay, easy. Yes! I can't. It hurts! Wonderful!
Uh-oh.
Let's get down to work. We have to finish the job within today. Keep going. Let's go home. Wow, it looks good. Are you ready to go? I am ready. Okay, let's go. Wow, that's great. Focus. Keep going. Run. Oh no! Wow, you were great! Hurry up! Wait for me! It's dangerous here. Wow, great! Really? I did it! We have to move it out of here. Over here. No problem. What is this? Oh, I'm not fine at all. Aha! What are you doing? Bravo! Bravo! Yeah, we made it! Made it! Congratulations! What is wrong with him? Move! Move!
Whoa!
Oh no! What is this? Help me! Help me! Here I come! Ah, found it! It's dangerous here. It's over there. Be careful. Hurry up. Slow down. It's very dangerous.
Ouch!
Stay away. Stay away. Run! Finally, here we are! Let's start! Wow! This car is so nice! Oh no! What should we do now? Help me! Help me! Oh my God! Move! Move! I'm sorry.
Oh!
What is going on? Stop! Stop! We have to stop them. I am ready. Okay. Great! Nothing is impossible. Yeah! Mission completed. Thank you. You've done a great job. Yes, no problem. Let's go home. Come on, let's go. Very beautiful.